Hello, we are going to see the questions from GATE 2011 ECE from the control system subject. Here given that the block diagram of a system with one input U and two outputs Y1 and Y2 is given below. Then a state space model for the above system in terms of state vector x and the output vector y is given as y1 y2 transpose is. Now we need to find the state space model for this given block diagram representation. So given that here it is given that taking this is in terms of Laplace transforms, it is given that y1 of s divided by u of s equals to 1 by s plus 2 is given, and y2 of s divided by u of s is given as 2 by s plus 2 is given. So here I am writing that this is equals to y1 of s divided by x1 of s in terms of state variables. This is equals to x1 of s divided by u of s. Again we'll get y1 of s divided by u of s only, that is equals to 1 by s plus 2. Now I am considering that this y1 of s by x1 of s this I am considering that this y1 of s divided by x1 of s equals to 1, and this x1 of s divided by u of s equals to 1 by s plus 2. So from this we'll get that s into x1 of s plus 2 into x1 of s equals to u of s will get, and y1 of s equals to x1 of s you will get. So these are the two equations we will get here. So by applying the inverse Laplace transform for this, we will get this as, we know that s into x1 of s is obtained for differentiation property. So this is nothing but x1 of t plus 2 into x1 of t equals to u of t, and this is, so we'll get that x1 of t equals to minus 2 x1 of t plus u of t. This is one algebraic equation. From this we'll get the output y1 of t equals to x1 of t. So we got the one algebraic equation in terms of x1 dot and x1 one state variable. Now I am considering the second expression, that is y2 of s divided by u of s equals to 2 by s plus 2. Take it as equation 1. So considering this y2 of s divided by u of s, so we'll get that y2 of s divided by u of s equals to 2 by s plus 2 is given. So I am writing this as y2 of s divided by second state variable x2 of s into x2 of s divided by u of s equals to 2 by s plus 2, and here considering that y2 of s divided by x2 of s equals to 2, and x2 of s divided by u of s equals to 1 by s plus 2. So from this we will get that s into x2 of s plus 2 into x2 of s equals to u of s. And by applying the inverse Laplace transform for this, we will get x2 dot of t plus 2 into x2 of t equals to u of t, and we'll get this as x2 dot of t equals to minus 2 x2 of t plus u of t. And from this we'll get y2 of t equals to 2 into x2 of t. So taking this as the equation 2 here. So from equation 1 and 2, we can write the matrix representation, that is we can write the matrix representation x1 dot and x2 dot equals to, there we have the coefficients minus 2 0, this is minus 2 0, and here we have the quotients minus 0 minus 2. We have the quotients 0 minus 2 here. We have the quotients 0, we have the quotients 0 minus 2 multiplied with x1 x2 multiplied with x1 x2 plus we have u of t, here, and here also u of t, then this is plus, we have this as 1 1 into u, 1 1 u will get, and coming to the y of t, for the output, here we have y1 of t equals to x1 of t, and here we have y2 of t equals to 2 x2 of t. Then we can write that y1 of t, y2 of t equals to, we can write this as 1 2 multiplied with x1 x2, this is x1 of t and this is x2 of t. So we'll get y1 of t equals to x1 of t, y2 of t equals to 2 x2 of t. So from this we have y equals to y1 2, this is x. So here it is given that y bar equals to y1 y2 transpose is given, y1 y2 transpose is given, then we'll get this as the matrix, we'll get this as y equals to y1 y2 transpose, then this will get it as y equals to y1 y2 transpose is nothing but this is 1 2 x bar will get. So we can observe that the state transition matrix x1, we will write this as x bar equals to minus 2 0 2 minus 2 x bar plus 1 1 1 u you will get, and y bar equals to 1 2 x bar will get. So this is the answer we got here. So out of the given options, we can observe that sorry, here we got this is the correct only. We got that this is the option, we got it as y equals to we got it as y equals to we got this as 1 to x bar we got here. So option option C is the correct answer here. We got x dot equals to minus to 0, 0 minus to x, and this is 1 1 u, y bar equals to 1 to x bar. So option C is the correct answer here.